Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming access to the email or phone linked to the Firefox account. That access is critical. Once confirmed, make sure your current device is nearby and any backup codes or password manager entries are ready. Now open Firefox, select Menu, choose Sign in to Sync, and pick Recover Account. You do this because recovery requires verification from a trusted contact method. Acting now avoids delays and prevents lockouts later in the process. Once on the recovery screen, choose whether to receive a code via email or phone and request it immediately. When the code arrives, enter the 6-digit code exactly as shown. Do this quickly because codes often expire in minutes. If your account had 2-factor authentication enabled, make sure to open your Authenticator app or pull a saved recovery code from your password manager. This step verifies that you are the legitimate owner and unlocks access without wiping synced data. After verification, you'll be prompted to set a new strong password. Do that and then review your sync settings to restore bookmarks, passwords, and tabs. If the verification code fails, resend it and check spam, SMS delivery, or carrier delays. Give a minute and try again. If you remain blocked, collect device ID, approximate timestamps, and recent IP locations. Then contact Firefox support. This information speeds resolution while proving ownership.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.